last monster trucks in the world, and now we're down to the final two. Are you ready for your racing finals? Introducing first, from Hagerstown, Maryland, last night's racing winner is Mikey Taurus II from Overkill Evolution. And his contender in the foul lane, also from Hagerstown, Maryland, Thompson, Taurus.
I think I'm gonna win. Like I'm gonna fucking win. Go family. Go. Yeah. Oh no, okay.
Overkill comes out on top.
Second victory of the weekend for Mikey Taurus II. Overkill Evolution!
Yeah, buddy!
Racing keeps getting faster and faster as the weekend goes on. Drivers are figuring it out, loving it, as this guy right here. Mikey, first of all, congratulations on another victory here at Hagerstown Speedway. Means a lot to you and your family, and especially these great fans love the Botters. Absolutely, Greg. Also, it's great to have you back here at Hagerstown Speedway. It's like a big reunion right now. It feels great. Overkill is working great this weekend. Usually we get that hometown curse going on, but it's holding together. I'm just having fun this weekend and making the best time of it. And Hagerstown, thank you guys for showing up in the numbers you did. I say this to everybody, but I really mean it. It's because of you guys and those crowds that support us, and we come out here and play with these big trucks. So thank each and every one of you, and all these other drivers are just as grateful. So thank you guys. Big shout out, I got some friends in the crowd. I was told to say this, Beaver Creek Storage Units. Big shout out to them for giving me some storage. Love you guys. Hagerstown, we have freestyle. Make some noise!